on back into this unit from Ashimary Hair. I am back, okay? And we are coming through with the unit that they say will take you no time. It's beginner friendly and it's absolutely rearing and ready to go. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor, and I am back with another unit from Ashimary Hair, okay? We are back and we're ready to dig on into her. This is a 6x5 pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre wig. Let's dig on into her. All right, my loves, let's dig on into this unit from Ashimary Hair. We have the Peacock Curls Pull On and Go unit. This unit has a drawstring in the back. She has 3 combs. She's pre-curled. Look at all the goodies that you get with this unit. Like, I am outdone with what they provided because they are actually bomb. Now, this unit is currently going for, at 24 inches, just under $250, okay? Now, I am into all of the details of the unit, but let's get into it. This is a 13x6 lace frontal. She comes with the ear tabs where you can glue them down if you wanted a nice glueless install. And when I mean glue them down, I mean just your ear tabs, okay? Just to make sure that unit is as secure as possible. Now, I'm going on through, I did darken this lace using my Ruby Kiss foundation, okay? And I'm just going to make sure that she's as secure as possible because I've told you all before, my baby will snatch my wig right up off my Mimi Tap Me head, and we don't want any problems today. So I'm going on through. Look how stunning the lace is, guys. This unit really is beautiful. I'm using my It's Giving Laid spray just to go on in and get her all the way together, okay? But she does not need this. The beautiful thing about this unit and these Peacock curls, this pull on and go technology, is that she is rearing and ready to go. It is not lost on me that the girls are looking for units that are already styled, pre-cut, okay, pre-curled. They already have been pre-plucked, knots are bleached. This is the unit for you. If you do not know what you are doing, baby, this is the unit for you. So let's really talk about this unit. This unit is pre-everything. Pre-plucked, pre-styled, pre-curled. I've had this unit for almost a month. This is no heat. I have not put any heat to this unit except for just at the top to lay it flat. I have not put any heatless rollers in her, anything. This unit came curled and she stayed curled, okay? That's number one. I'm very impressed with that. Like, I cannot begin to tell you all how impressed I am with that. Look at that Mammy Tap Lace, ho. Look at the Mammy Tap Lace, ho. Ashimary Hair done came on through and they said, not only are we going to give you a Detroit special, Cash Dow Kendrick on the mic special, okay? We're going to come through, chop her down. She lay her like a mother jumper, okay? Curl her up and give you a look that is so easy. This is a birthday wig. This is a special edition wig. This is a special occasion wig. If you have a graduation, a birthday, a holiday that's coming up that you said, you know what, I got to throw it the fuck on. Okay, because I got to be the one and not the two. Ashimary Hair said, I got something for you, baby. Okay? Now, what I love about this unit is that she's very much secure with the drawstring in the back, okay? This thing right here, mama, she got her stuck up and stuck up under here. Let me tell y'all what y'all got to do. Make sure y'all tuck y'all string in. I never tuck it in. And sometimes I find myself touching the back of my head and the drawstring be sticking out the back of the head. Make sure you tuck it in, okay, boo? This unit is stunning. I cannot explain. She does not shed. She did not tangle. She didn't even come with foam, like with the curls so they can maintain the curls. They just had her with a netting on her and she popped out and she'd been like this for weeks. I wouldn't lie, darling. I really wouldn't. I wouldn't. I'm so impressed with this. They were asking me to not put this out, but they were asking me for my opinion a while ago on this one. And I said, you know what? I'm going to wait. Let me see how it holds up. She's held. She's held, ho. Do you have anything else to say? Look at how natural this hairline is. This is, again, pre-plucked. This unit is so, so beautiful. The texture of the hair is very, very nice, okay? It's really a nice, thick, like, not yucky, because it doesn't have that kind of kinky-esque texture, but she has, like, a nice silky texture, but she's thick. Like, I love that. She's thick. Look at her. Nothing. You can throw this unit on and go. This is a real throw on and go unit. Very real. Okay. It does part here. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, disrupt that and part on this side, but they did not do that. They did not curate this unit for you to be chopping and screwing her to bleep up. They made this for like us who like things out the pack, fresh, ripped her out the plastic, huh? Now she's a little, it's been a month, so she's not brand new, but she's close. She's close. I don't have any notes on this unit. You could do so much with her. Look how beautiful this is. Even if you want, look at this. Girl, look at this. Even if you wanted to give her a cute little updo, you absolutely positively could. I'm going to put her up here. I'm going to put these down here. Oh, yes. Come on, tendrils. Want to do a little bit of this. I'm just going to pin. These are my favorite bobby pins, guys. These are the ones that are like these are my favorite bobby pins. These are the ones that are like the long kind. I don't even need sometimes this much pin. I use it anyway because it will get me all the way together. Look at this. Did you see how fast I did that in? Did you, boo? Look at her. Easy breezy. This unit is beautiful. I don't know what else to tell you. This is appropriately priced. And the technology is impeccable. 10s. 10, 10, 10s across the board. 10. Okay? I don't have nothing else to say, girl. I have to go downstairs and go and film with my man, my husband. Okay? Let me know what you think about this Ashimary hair unit. I not only gave you guys what she was looking like a month ago. I came back and said today, I got to give you what she's looking like down to the socks, honey. No heat. Has not been curled. This is what she looked like for real, for real. I'm yelling because I'm certain somebody is behind you who's not paying attention. So do me a favor. Subscribe to this Mammy Tam channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I miss you guys so much. Make sure you check out Ashimary Hair. They are not playing. This right here is one of the best gifts I've ever gotten in a Mammy Tam wig kit. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I love y'all deep. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.